For the first step part, input fingerprint. Long press door lock set inside. The blue light 10 times after let go. Blue light normally on. Enter the same fingerprint 4 times. Green light normally on. Success. Other input fingerprint. Long press door lock set inside. The blue light 10 times after let go. Blue light normally on. Fingerprint verification again administrator. They're inputting the same fingerprint after 10 times. Normally open mode. According to normally open door lock key, within a second, the light is to let it go. Normally open, normally open. Repeated operation or verify the fingerprint. Close the normally open mode. Factory data reset. Long press door lock set within about 2 seconds when the red light to let it go. Green represents to restore the factory successfully.